Hello everyone, welcome to this mighty service, and this is a review customer number 859. This is the MacBook Pro, and the model is A1278. So the problem that customer report us that the MacBook doesn't charge the battery. So we tested and we got a new battery and replaced the new battery. It didn't charge as well. So we know that there's something wrong with the main board itself. So after diagnosing for a while, we found that one of this tiny resistor was damaged. So we got a replacement for this one, and now the battery charging. See that maybe it's 14% now. Okay, what I mean by that, the tiny resistor, let me show you, which is this one, R7052, is supposed to be 0 ohms. This is a summary. What is it? Okay, this is a summary of the diagnosis for this case. So R752 is supposed to be 0 ohm resistance, and I don't know, somehow it becomes 2.2 ohm after. That's why it cannot be charged. It isn't supposed to be 2.2 ohm resistor. It should be 0 ohm resistor. This is the charging IC. It might be this is the current sensor connecting to the charging IC. So if you have the same problem that your laptop or your MacBook is facing, the same problems, feel free to contact us at this mighty service at any branch. We got 10 branch total. So just search us in Google's mighty service for the service. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye. Peace.